Hello everyone, this is Arindam Mukhopadhyay and welcome back to Ortho Implants for Life. Our today's discussion is proximal humerus fracture and its fixation with Philo's type plate. So let's jump into the video.
To start with, the part of the humerus connected to the shoulder is called proximal humerus, and the part connected to the elbow is called distal humerus. Today we will talk about proximal humerus fracture and its fixation. Philos, or proximal humerus internal locking system, is used in case of a proximal humerus fracture. In case of a fracture, the Philos plate is fixed in this region as shown in the diagram. Now coming to the fixation part, these small holes on the side of the plate are for K-wires. 2 K-wires are passed through these 2 holes on the side of this plate and one below will make sure the plate stays static and does not move much from the fracture site. Once the plate is static, we can start the procedure of fixing it with screws. Non-locking screw can be used in the shaft region of this plate. For that, we have to use a 2.7 mm drill bit and drill through the non-locking hole. After drilling, bone tap is used to tap and clear the entrance of the screw, and then the non-locking screw is fixed in the shaft region. Once the screw is fixed, the K-wire in the distal part of the plate is removed as the screw has already fixed the plate to the bone. To fix the proximal part of this plate with a bone, locking screw is used. Non-locking screw is not advised to use to fix the proximal part. In order to do that, first we have to attach the drill sleeve in the locking hole of the plate and then drill through the sleeve. After drilling, as per the surgeon's decision and request, either locking cancellous or a locking screw is used to fix the plate. The screws should be provided to the doctor according to his request. It is totally surgeon's decision which type of screw should be used for the surgery. So if the surgeon asks for a locking screw will be given to him and the plate will be fixed with the locking screw only. Once this screw is fixed in the plate, repeat the same process to attach any other locking screw in the proximal part. Once the screws are attached and the plate is held against the fracture site, the K-wire has to be removed as soon as possible, because once the screws are tightened and the plate gets attached to the bone, it can actually bend the K-wire, which can be harmful for the patient. So once the plate is stable, remove all the K-wires from the plate. And thereafter, as per surgeon's demand, we will have to provide all the screws and fix it accordingly. Whenever a locking screw is needed to be fixed, it should be done through the drill sleeve. There is no option for any cancellous screw in the shaft region of the plate. So in case we need to fix a locking screw in the shaft region, locking cortical screw is used. Once this is done, that concludes the fixation process. In this case, we have used a 4-hole plate, but the surgeon will call on how many screws are needed to be fixed. It can be 3 or 4. That will be according to the surgeon. Now this is called a Philo's jig. The function of the jig is to guide the screws in the right direction. It is fully radiolucent. This device is not available from all implant companies. Here, as you can see, the jig will be guiding you for any insertion of K-wire or screws. There are slots provided on the surface of the jig. In order to fix a screw using Philo's jig, first, protection sleeve will be attached on it, and then drill sleeve will be placed in it, through which the drilling will be done. Once the drilling is done, drill sleeve will be removed and the screw will be attached through this protection sleeve and jig, and it will guide the screw into the proper direction. So this is the function of Philo's jig. This is how typically a Philo's plate looks after the fixation. And as already explained, it is totally radiolucent, so there will be no issues or obstruction in watching the plate through the C-arm, which means it is practically invisible through the C-arm. So that is it for today, guys.
If you have enjoyed the video, please like it, share it. If you are new to our channel, subscribe it. Hit the bell icon to get the notifications for our upcoming videos. If you have any query, comment in the comment box. To know more about the career prospects in orthopedic implant industry, click the link given below in the description. Thank you. See you in our next video.